In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Adobe Express. We'll set up a clean, consistent multi-page document so numbering is effortless and looks professional across every page. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer. You can use the desktop app or the web version in a browser. Both work well. Give it a moment to load your workspace so all the panels and tools are available. Next, make sure you're logged in. Being signed in ensures your work is saved to the cloud, your fonts and brand assets are available, and you can access your projects from anywhere. If you see your avatar or profile icon, you're good to go. On the left side of the interface, choose how you want to begin. If you already have a project and want to add page numbers to it, click your stuff to open that file. If you're starting fresh, click Start New Design. This is where you'll set up the foundation of your document, which is key for consistent numbering later. Go ahead and click New Design. Pick the size and orientation that match your document's purpose: presentations, reports, brochures, or flyers. Keeping a consistent page size from the start makes your page numbers align perfectly across the entire project. If you like, give your project a clear name so it's easy to find later. Now, look to the lower right of your workspace and click Add Page. You'll see a new page appear in your Page Thumbnails panel. Building a proper multi-page structure is what allows you to place page numbers in a single, repeatable position every time. As you add pages, watch the thumbnails to keep your sequence organized. When prompted, click Same Size. This ensures every page matches the dimensions of your first page, which is essential for lining up page numbers consistently. No awkward shifts or misalignment. If you plan to place numbers in the footer, consistent sizing guarantees they sit at the exact same spot on each page. A few quick tips before you place your numbers. Consider turning on guides or using the canvas rulers to mark a safe margin at the bottom corner where your page numbers will live. Choose a font and color with strong contrast so the numbers remain legible, and test the placement on both light and dark backgrounds if your design varies. Once your pages are set and sized the same, you're ready to add page numbers in your preferred style and keep them uniform throughout. That's the setup you need. With your multi-page document prepared and sized consistently, adding clear, professional page numbers becomes fast, precise, and repeatable.